San Diego County is in danger of hitting the most restrictive purple tier as coronavirus cases continue to rise during the pandemic.
And today, the county announced 530 new cases. It's the first time we've been above 500 in a single day in almost 4 months since July. That said, it was still consistent with the percentage of tests taken at 3%. 6 new outbreaks were also confirmed. No new deaths were announced, so that total remains now at 904. Right now, 317 people are hospitalized with the virus locally, including 105 who are in the ICU. If the number of cases continues to escalate, it could mean complete closures for some businesses as early as Tuesday. And Fox 5's Liberty Zabala is in La Mesa for us with how businesses are bracing for those possible changes.
Fitness director Scott Ryan gets in what could be some of his last indoor sessions with members at Fit Society if the county hits the purple tier.
This was a possibility and potential that it could happen. We have a wonderful membership that supports us in all decisions that we get to make.
The county reported more than 7 cases for every 100,000 residents. And under the purple tier, gyms, restaurants, places of worship, museums, movie theaters, and zoos would have to move to only outdoor operations. And retail would have to drop to a 25% capacity. But Scott says his gym is already at only 10% capacity, and his classes only accommodate 15 members indoors at one time.
But definitely having a less capacity to make sure that we're adhering to the guidelines that are given to us by the state, followed by the CDC and the people that we need to make sure that we're following the rules and keeping everybody safe.
But if forced to shut down indoor operations, Fit Society will move their classes outdoors. He also says the gym offers online classes to keep members safe.
We're really able to just adapt as we need to and give our members the opportunity to feel like they have a place that they can come to and kind of get away from everything outside in life and come in and really focus on their health and wellness.
Meanwhile, the county is expected to hold another case rate report next week, but county public health officials are urging the public to especially take the next few days very seriously. For now, in La Mesa, Liberty Zabala, Fox 5 News.